Hi guys, welcome back to First Choice Craft. So today I'm going to be enhancing a pre-made card. These are pre-made cards. You can use them as they are, or you can enhance them, and I'm going to be enhancing them because they're kind of plain looking to me. But I purchased these cards. It's a 60 set cards. It comes with the envelopes as well. I purchased these a long time ago from Michael's, and so they're already pre-made with the background and everything, but I'm going to enhance them today to make a happy birthday card. I'm going to be using this as well as some die cuts. I'm going to be using a cupcake die cut, and also I'm going to be using a happy birthday die cut. And this is like a little coil from like a pumpkin that I had, a die cut pumpkin, but I'm gonna use this as a string for some balloons. I'm gonna be using that as well. And also I'm going to be using the Martha Stewart's balloon puncher. So I'm going to be using this as well. And I'm going to be using this old pack of DCWV Starburst paper pack that I have from a long time ago. I'm going to be using this as well. And I'm going to be using the French Riviera. This is from Primer. This is like an old theme. But I'm going to be using a piece out of here, out of these wood chips. And also I'm going to be using the cartographer paper from Prima. And I'm going to be using some of these thickers. These came from American Craft. I'm going to be using some of these as well. Some little heart shakers to put in the shaker. The card I'm going to be using out of here is going to be kind of a plain one. This one right here. I like that one. So I'm going to be using this, and this is going to be a manly card. So the theme is going to be kind of manly. And we're going to get to it. This theme here, it's a new year. And so this looks like this will be a good theme. The air balloons. So this is cute. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using out of this paper, I'm going to be using some pieces from here to make my balloons. Also for the balloons, I'm going to be using, for the cupcake. For the cupcake. And some of the balloon. So we're going to get started. I'm going to cut this down. Okay, so like that. And I'm going to save this piece. So I want to use this for a pocket. I'm going to cut this piece off first. All right, guys, and that's going to be my base. And then I'm going to go and cut out my happy birthday. I'm going to cut out my cupcake, my string, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have my happy birthday cut out. I have my cupcake, some acetate for the window of the cupcake and the shaker, and this is the background. If you can see, it's kind of like glossy. So that's for my cupcake. I have some coil cut out to act as the string for my balloons. And now I'm going to cut out some balloons. And then I want this one here. These are going to be my balloons. So what I'm going to do is put them together like this, like so. Put them all together. Then I'm going to wrap this short one. See that little loop? I'm going to just wrap it around there to make it look like it was tied on there. And I'm going to glue that down. Okay, so now you see how that's look like a little tie. Now I'm going to take my coral here. my coil. And I'm just gonna put it on like that to make it look like it's part of a string. That's my balloon, guys. How cute. So that's my balloon. And guys, now I want to stickle some of these air balloons. I want to stickle them out. So I'm going to do that now. And I want to stickle out the cupcake, the frame of the cupcake. So I'm going to do that as well. And I'm going to do that with Stardust stickles. And I'm going to do the same for the air balloons. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to glue my cupcake frame to the acetate window. Just put it down like so. I'm going to let that dry and start putting stickles on these. Okay, so I'm done with all the cutouts. I have the happy birthday, I have the cupcake, the balloon, and the card. And so now we're going to put the card together. Oh, and also I finished up the stickling. As you can see, it's sparkling very nicely on the hot balloons, the hot air balloons. And here is going to be the pocket. I did the stickles on that as well. So we're going to begin. Okay, now we're going to make the shaker. I'm going to take some foam adhesive and put it around. Take some shaker pieces and put it in my cupcake. But first I want to put some powder. So that the shaker pieces won't stick. So I went on and put a little bit of glue down on the back end of the cupcake and just put little pieces of shakers on there so that it'll already be in the window. And so all of them won't be at the bottom. But anyway, I'm going to continue now. So I'm going to go ahead and put more shaker pieces in there just to add it. Oops. Okay, and now I'm going to take off the paper from the foam adhesive. now, I'm just gonna put down my window. Okay, guys, and there's our shaker. See? So cute. There's our little shaker cupcake. It moves nice, and so that came out really cute, like that. So what we're gonna do is put that down on the card. And I'm gonna do it as like a little pop-up. Put that here. So cute. And so now, guys, I'm gonna take some of these stickers and I'm gonna put on here, because the person I'm giving it to is a man and he's gonna be 35. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 35 out of these stickers. So here we have the 3. I'm gonna put a little glue down because I don't know how well this is gonna stick. But I know they stick pretty good. But these, I had these for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little glue down. So it's gonna be 30. Put the 3 there. And then 5. Put the 5 there. So there we have it, guys, our cupcake shaker, the number 35. Manly card, very nice. So now what we're gonna do is start on the pocket for the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and score this down the sides and fold it. So I want to score it like about that much, just a little. And I'm gonna fold it. Okay, guys, so the pocket is finished. That's the pocket. And what I'm gonna do is round the corners of it. Then I'm going to glue just the top of this down to here. Just half way. I'm gonna glue that down. This is the little suitcase and it says Airmail. Then I'm gonna take Velcro and put it here and here. That's gonna be our closure. I'm going to take round Velcro. And I'm going to put the Velcro on here. And stick that other piece down on here. And then they can open it up. It's a little pocket, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to make this magnetic. So I want to stick it on the card in the middle, but I want it to be also removable. So they can remove that and it be magnetic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do more Velcro so they can remove it. And then it'll just be a magnetic piece as well. More Velcro. It's going to go in the middle. And then I'm going to add some magnets. And again, guys, I don't know if you watched my prior videos, but I got these magnets off of Temu. Pretty strong for like little things you want to make magnetic. They're pretty strong for that. So I'm going to put a dot of blue here and a dot of blue here, just so that it'll still stay on your refrigerator or on a locker or wherever you want us to put this magnetic item, and that you'll still be able to put some type of trinket or money or whatever in it, and it'll hold on the surface strongly. Okay guys, so the magnets are on, and so now I'm going to put a little bit more glue on the Velcro so that it is, make sure it stays, because I don't know how sticky that Velcro is. Then I'm going to put this on my envelope. Okay, so now I have my pocket on. I have my little wooden suitcase from the French Riviera collection. I chose a suitcase to put as a little decor, and now it's a pocket. Can open it from the Velcro. You can stick something inside. I'm choosing to add maybe some money to this card, and also I made this little trinket here, this little keychain with the little globe on it, as well as a live, laugh, and love pieces on the keychain for him to keep and put on his keychain, on his keychains itself. I'm gonna slide it into the pocket. Then also, if you want to add money or whatever, you could just fold the money up in half. Of course, this is a piece of paper, but you could just fold it in half like so and slide it in the pocket as well. With any little trinket or any little gift you want to put in here, chain or bracelet or ring or whatever, and just fold it down, put your little saying, and you're done. And this is the happy birthday card, guys. Isn't that cute? So happy birthday, merely happy birthday. It's a little shaker and a cupcake. Then again, they have the little pocket here. Can add little money, little trinkets. It's removable from the Velcro. Just remove it from the Velcro, put it back on the Velcro, or remove it from the Velcro. It has the little magnets there to put on the refrigerator or adhere it to wherever they want to, any surface that's magnetic. This will be great for that. Put it back on, put your little saying, and there you have your little card. Well, guys, that's my video for today. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to wish you all a happy new year, a great, loving, prosperous, blessed new year. And I'll see you on my next video. Please make sure you subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.